Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Toyota RAV4 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these button over here, the middle for enter, left, right, up, down, and we're going to be using, looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without turn on your car without starting. Okay, now if you're here already, then you go ahead and click on the vehicle setting. But if you're not there, you can go ahead and click left or right to get to this page, and then click on vehicle setting. Scroll down to, let me get a little closer, give me a second. Okay, go ahead and enter on schedule maintenance. Scroll up to yes, enter on that, and that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.